Well, got another truck in here with a check engine light. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, dang, it's there. But wait, I'm confused. Got a Ford Ranger here with a check engine light. Let's see what we got. Oh my God, another one. She just jumped out over here. Let's see what this oil filter here looks like. This is a oil filter. Oh wait, is that? We got coolant in an oil filter? Something didn't seem right there. I think that's the problem. Parking in with the check engine light here. See what we got. Oh my God. No transmission or engine. That's an oil leak, or a coolant leak actually. See what we got going. Oh my God. For a coolant leak? You being serious? Another one.
Why is he trying to put that up there? Why doesn't he just try underneath it?
That seems very normal to me.
Look at that!